everyone, welcome back to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Courtney Berry, and today we're going to take a deep dive and look at one of the most critical issues in Texas family law, determining the primary residence of your child. If you're involved in a divorce case or custody case in Texas, this is likely one of the most significant concerns you'll face. Texas courts take this decision very seriously because it directly impacts your child's stability, routine, and overall well-being. First, let's clarify what we mean by primary residence. In a Texas family law case, the term primary residence refers to the home where the child will live most of the time. The parent who has the right to establish the child's primary residence is often referred to as the custodial parent or primary conservator. The other parent, typically known as the non-custodial parent, usually has visitation rights or possession periods as outlined by the court. When the court establishes primary residence, it is making a decision about the child's daily life, where they go to school, their neighborhood, the community they grow up in, and even how close they live to the other family members. This decision is pivotal for both the parents and, most importantly, the child. Imagine a couple, Sarah and John, who are going through a divorce. They have a 7-year-old daughter, Emma. Both Sarah and John want Emma to live primarily with them, but they each have different living situations. Sarah has been Emma's primary caregiver since birth. She works from home, and Emma attends a school near their house. John, on the other hand, has a demanding job that requires him to travel frequently. He lives in the same town, but in a different school district. During the divorce proceedings, both Sarah and John present their case for why Emma should live with them. Sarah argues that because she has been Emma's primary caregiver, Emma is used to the routine they've established: school, extracurricular activities, and friends in the neighborhood. She also notes that her work from home schedule allows her to be present for Emma's daily needs, including helping with schoolwork and being available in case of emergencies. John, while loving and committed to his daughter, acknowledges that his job requires him to be away from home a few days a month. However, he argues that he has a supportive extended family in the area who can help care for Emma when he's traveling. He also points out that he has a large home and can provide Emma with a comfortable lifestyle. The court evaluates both Sarah's and John's arguments. They take into account Sarah's role as the primary caregiver and her ability to provide a stable, consistent environment for Emma. The court also considers John's work schedule and the fact that he may not always be available to take care of Emma. Additionally, they consider the importance of Emma remaining in the same school and community where she has established friendships. In this scenario, the court ultimately decides that Sarah will be the parent with the right to determine the primary residence. They consider the stability of Sarah's work from home situation, her role as a primary caregiver, and Emma's need to remain in her current school. John is awarded generous visitation rights, including extended time during school breaks, but Sarah is given the authority to make decisions about where Emma lives. It's also important to note that Texas courts often impose geographic restrictions when determining the primary residence of a child. These restrictions usually require that the child's primary residence remains within a certain county or geographical area, unless both parents agree to move. This is to ensure that the non-custodial parent can continue to have meaningful time with the child without the logistical challenges of a long-distance move. For example, if Sarah were to consider moving out of state for a new job, she would likely need either John's agreement or the court's permission. If she were to move without the court's consent, she could be found in violation of the court order, and it could affect her custody arrangement. Determining the primary residence of your child is one of the most significant decisions in a Texas family law case. It requires careful consideration of various factors, all focused on what is in the best interest of the child. Whether you're seeking to establish primary residence or are concerned about your ability to maintain regular involvement in your child's life, working with an experienced family law attorney is critical to navigating this process. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel for more legal insights. We're here to guide you through these complex issues and help protect what matters most, your family. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.